Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Cece and this is my fitness channel where I share my fitness journey with you guys and also emphasize individuality and promote the understanding that not everyone's journey is the same or linear. So for more of that, be sure to subscribe. When the New Year's hike is over and it's me versus my comfort, here are some things that I like to do to get back on track. The main thing I will always say is you need to set yourself up for success. This can look like many things and varies per person, but here's how I set myself up to succeed. I also want to preface this by saying I'm not an expert and I'm only one person. These are the things that I find helpful, so if you think I missed anything important or want to share something that helps you get back on track, please comment below. I'm always in a space of learning and would love to hear your tips, and I'm sure my other watchers would as well. Straight into tip number 1. Snack prepping, buying healthy food options, meal planning, planning out all your workouts. There's a common theme here: planning and prepping. I'm what you would consider a planner. The type of person that benefits from having a plan. Is it partially driven by my anxious desire to know the outcome or what's on my to-do list? Absolutely, but I've found planning very beneficial to my fitness journey. Having healthy snacks ready to go makes staying on track for my goals so much easier. Planning out my meals allows me to save money at the grocery store, but also be mindful to include plenty of high-quality protein, vegetables, and fruits in my diet on a daily basis.
A few moments later.
Along with planning and prepping should be a side of grace. Life happens and you can only plan so much with things constantly happening around you. So if you slip up here and there, give yourself some grace. We're all human and it's bound to happen. But if you notice a reoccurring slip up, for example, something I used to struggle with is on long days out of the house running errands, I would always get ravenous and have to make a poor eating choice in the moment because I let myself get so hungry. So I started wrapping a small snack or two to keep in my purse with a water bottle, so that I wouldn't get to the ravenous state or have to make a poor eating choice in the moment. So to sum it all up, planning and preparation with a side of grace while paying attention to reoccurring patterns. Number 2 is routines. Whether you have to write them out or have a plan in your head, routines are very helpful. Even if you're the type of person who likes to switch it up, you can have that included in your routine as well. When it comes to workouts, I use the Tone and Sculpt app, which I've done multiple videos on and I still really love, and the weekly workouts follow the same workout split: push day, pull day, quads and calves, glutes and hamstrings, and full body. But if you like to switch it up, include HIIT in your workout routine, Orange Theory, or even workout challenges.
Good morning, you guys. So as you can tell, my hair is very big. When I tell you I have been fighting for my life against this humidity every single day. It's been raining, which is giving spring, so I'm not that upset about it. And actually, I think the rain is very cleansing, but my hair is like, she likes being big and bad, and it's like, I can't get in her way, you know? But the truth is, like, my hair isn't heat trained. I don't want it to be heat trained, but it just seems silly for me to like put heat in it like today or yesterday and even probably tomorrow when it's so humid and it's just gonna blow up anyway. So what I've been doing is either butting it or putting a ponytail or just literally putting on a cap, and it doesn't look too awful. I go to the store right when they open at 8, and then I'm going to go to the gym after that. I always feel like I always wear this fit. This is the soft purple from Honor Active. I have the bra too, but I put the black top on so that the hat can match. But she's a vibe. What I'm saying is, like, cigarette smokers are like impervious to weather. Like, this guy is out here, rain, shine, snow, it don't matter. He out here smoking his cigarette. It's like raining. He out here smoking his cigarette, a little gray hoodie. Commitment. And I'm not trying to be mean, it's just like, dang, like, it'd be all kinds of weather and this dude is out standing outside smoking. It's cold. It's 34 and it's raining good. I hope you can hear the rain.
Having a routine reduces decision fatigue, allows for better time management, increases your focus, and can help to lower stress levels as well. This can definitely be tied into planning, but I definitely think it's a huge proponent to getting back on track is planning some routines and also including some habit stacking into your routine so you can better manage your time. My third tip is to put yourself on your priority list. A hard truth most people don't want to hear is priorities matter. You need to make leading a healthy lifestyle a priority. It's hard to do this when one person or the other is asking or demanding things from you, but when you make yourself a priority, you'll find yourself making time to take care of yourself. This can be quick walks, stretching on your lunch break, spending a little extra time on your meals, etc. This doesn't look one way, and this is something I always emphasize, individuality, but I think this is one of my best tips because a lot of us have been taught to put ourselves in the back burner and that it's selfish to put your needs first. But living a lifetime like that, you'll forget that you're worth the time and the effort. You need to start letting yourself know that you're worthy of a life where your needs are met and that you have the power to make yourself a priority. And the best thing about all these tips, including this one, is you can start small. Just start with 10 minutes of movement a day, or eating one side salad a day with your meals, or even if you're just getting some fresh air on your lunch break, make that stuff a priority in your life and you're gonna see a lot of big changes. It can be overwhelming to make a lot of big changes all at once, so I find making smaller changes one at a time is the best way to create long-lasting lifestyle choices. There's no black and white way to get back on track.
Yep, but I'm gonna put on a little perfume, you guys. If you don't follow Jackie Aina, I love her. And she's all about like black luxury, living in luxury as a black woman, and it's something that I resonate with. So she got me on the train of needing no excuse to, first of all, look nice or wear nice perfume. So this is my favorite perfume. It's called Mon Guerlain. It smells divine. So I'm not gonna drench myself, but I'm definitely gonna put on a bit to smell nice, look nice. I just have this vibe of like, I didn't even tell you, I had to have a whole chat, but my birthday just passed, 2/22. I turned 26 and I just want to be that girl that looks good and smells good. So
individuality is always something I'm going to highlight, but these are just the main things that I found and was able to narrow down that really make a huge difference in the quality of my life and my fitness journey. I'm so happy to share them with you guys. Again, if you have any other tips you think I missed or something that you would like to mention, please don't be scared to comment them down below. I'm always in a space of wanting to grow and learn, and I really want to cultivate an environment where we're constantly sharing with each other tips and tricks, and where we're open to share what works best for us to really emphasize individuality and what that looks like for each of us. Thank you guys for watching. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up because that supports my channel and I'm so appreciative of it. And of course, subscribe for more videos, more inspiration, and I appreciate your time. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Maybe I told you, would you mind bringing me a napkin? You're just going to get messy.